Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change Paxful username. To change your Paxful username, you need to first open your Paxful application on your mobile phone. Now if you have set your passcode for your Paxful, then you need to enter the PIN and you need to make sure that you are logged into your Paxful account. After this, here you'll be taken to home. With this, now here you need to tap on account option on the down right corner. Then here you can see account details. Now you need to tap on username option on the second. With this, now here you can see username box. You need to tap on the given username and then remove the username and then you can enter the new username. After this, you need to tap on save new username option. With this, now your username will be changed. Here you can see that my username has been successfully changed into Hanet Noah. This is how we can easily change username on Paxful. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If today's tutorial was helpful, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.